Also, we have another train here in Holland. The 8th train here. Last week we saw only 7. It's still red on that track. I'm not sure if that means we're gonna have another one or what. Oh, it went to green. So it's green and green, unless if I end up seeing it go to red again. Oh no, folks! You think he's moving fast yet or no? Getting there?
Getting there.
Stagger train, Papa, or no? Does it look like it's moving fast? A little bit? Oh no, folks! Papa, it sure does look like a stacker. I see green. Or something on top.
Alright.
And sorry about a long intro. Oh no, folks! Oh no, folks! Can you back up a little bit? Oh no, folks! Oh, no. How come there are no bells on either signal? Papa?
Huh?
How come there are no bells on either signal? What's he doing? Very puny, Papa. Okay,